Pamilya G, tapos ka na sis. Sige nga, balikan ko yung aking panood sa'yo. Sa bawat sandali, darating at papanaw, buhay mo'y tila parang kulang. Naiwan ako sa ano mo, live streaming mo, Sisi. Pamilya G. Tayaman lahat ng kalayawan. Tapos na po, sir, Don Dan TV vlog yung 5 minutes mo na, tara, sama ka. Gala tayo sa Kadakang Maynila. Ingat sa gala. Lipat muna ako sa iba para lahat ay mabigyan natin ng blessing. Uy, bakit hindi ito nag-work? Wala akong harang, mga kaibigan. May harang ba ako dyan? Did you see any harang? Meron bang nagpaharang? Chef Kitchen, thank you so much, my sister. Meron po ba kayong nasasalubong yan na harang? It's typhoon number 3 here. It started, yesterday was typhoon number 1. Now, they says typhoon number 3 will arrive 3 o'clock in this afternoon. So now it's getting dark. Baby, just stay behind and look. And look. Look at them. Just sit down like that. Okay. Joe and Chris, I'm done. Auntie B vlog. Where is Auntie B vlog? Give a shout out at Dan TV vlog. Dan TV vlog, big love shout out sabi sa ni Pamilya G. Chef Kitchen, really good to you, my friend. Okay, Chris, I'm done to you. Tapos ko na po yung palabas mo. 9 minutes lang pala at 47 seconds yun. Yung experience Filipino-American couple, experience ATV ride. Ayan. Let me go to the other. Who is the next to watch? Chef Kitchen. Ay, Dan TV vlog, meron kang ibinaba. Ano yung binaba mo? Ayan, napanood ko na yun. Can you please watch Dan TV vlog? Let me pin. Or no need to pin, just go to Dan TV vlog. Because if you go to Dan TV vlog, you can see at once his video. So, let me go to you, Chef Kitchen, sister. There. Let me look at your videos. Oh, it started now. Oh my god. It's getting dark. Okay, luckily, Chef Kitchen, I got one subscriber for you. Then I'm going to use it to watch. It's Gilbert, but don't reply to this, yeah? Do not comment. This Gilbert is one of my supporter. Morning. I just write down support. Hi baby. They're saying, oh, it's getting dark now, mommy. Support. Husky Normie. I just write down support Husky Normie. I just want to call and say